Our final presentation of the day will be coming from Village.
Hello, everyone. My name is Christian Knox-Phillips. I was born and raised in Brooklyn, New York, and I am the product manager for Village. I was joined by my team members, Gabriel Inniss, Vinny Antoine-Fils, and Vincent Lamanno, and together we built Village. Village is a web platform where users can find and join local communities called villages and tackle neighborhood issues. People love their communities and want to make them better, but if you're not deeply engaged with your community already, then you may not realize you're the only one that suffers from problems in the community. Village allows for users to shed light on their community issues, giving them a platform to discuss, connect, and organize. For our product, it felt necessary to give users some form of guidance when they start off. Oftentimes on social media, users spend a lot of time trying to find the right community to join. And on our application, I aim to minimize the effort spent on community discovery and maximize the effort and time put into addressing community issues with your neighbors. Using a geocoding API when the villages are created and getting the users' locations, we plug them into a formula to find the shortest distance to each village. On this slide as an example, let's say I lived on 80th Street. You would see that when the function runs, you get the shortest distance to each village, and then we can take the 3 shortest distances and then we show them to the users.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Gabriel Inniss. My family is from Guyana. I was born and raised in Brooklyn, and I am the Scrum Master for Village. We believe users sharing images of their experiences is crucial. Imagine having to describe every detail of your problem or talking to your neighbors without ever seeing their faces. This is where our utilization of cloud storage comes in. With Cloudinary's API, we can upload images to the cloud, ensuring fast loading and on-demand viewing. Village's integration with the cloud enhances the user experience, improves visual appeal, and optimizes loading time. On the top left, you can see the user's file explorer. And after that, they can upload their image onto our website. And we take the data from that image and we ship it off to Cloudinary. And it sends back a URL that can be displayed on our website. I mean, like a URL that renders an image, which can be displayed on our website.
Hi, everyone. My name is Vincent Lamanno, and I was born and raised in Brooklyn. I was a developer for Village. My job while developing Village was to allow for the user to have access to all data pertaining to a specific village that they were viewing. I did this by connecting the front end and back end, utilizing dynamic routing, hitting the village ID in the route. That way, only data specific to that village is public to the user. As you can see here in illustration, when you click on a certain village using React Router DOM, it reroutes the user to that specific village ID, and then we would use that ID in the URL to fetch the data for that village and display it on the page. I'll kick it off to Vinny.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Vinny Antoine-Fils. I was born and raised in the Bronx, and I currently reside in Brooklyn. As a developer, I implemented a feature for users who want to help beyond the neighborhood by staying updated on the trending villages and their current events. To fulfill this user story, I revamped the villages page to showcase only the top 3 most active villages. By filtering and curating the content, users can quickly access the most popular villages. Users can now easily identify which village are currently most active and stay informed about their events. It provides clear guidance for users to participate and contribute more if they wish to do so. This enhancement empowers users to extend their reach beyond their own neighborhood and actively engage with various villages. On the left is an idea of all our villages, where I then use the Git router to show only the top 3 most active villages, depending on the number of members in the village. So with all this in mind, now you'll see the demo. As a concerned member of my community, I'm concerned for my neighborhood. A neighbor told me about a website called Village, so I'm going to check it out. This is the feed page. So when I logged in and read it with it, I can see different villages here, but let me see which one is closest to me. Okay, it doesn't look like that any of them are necessarily mine or that close to where I live. So instead, I'm just going to make one. So I'm going to create a village, financial district, yada, 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 yada. There we go. And there it is. This is the village I just made. Now make a new issue. Meeting. I already have everything loaded. And there's my issue right here. And now I'm going to create a post for it because I currently have an issue here. And it was with my heating. And I already have a prompt already made. So I should see it right here. And there it is. It looks like that my issue's up there now. So now I'm going to message the person who put me onto Village. Yes, thank you for putting me. And there we go. That's Village.